Okay, I'm just going to show you quickly how to correctly cut some gear outer casing. You can use one of these, which is just an ordinary set of pliers with wash nips. It's a little bit harder to use these, and it is also going to slightly squash the outer. However, it will get the job done. The better solution though is to use something like this, which is a set of Shimano cable cutters. They do outer and inner. Whenever they cut, they will compress the outer very evenly, which means that you tend not to squash the cable outer, which makes for a slightly better job. The one other thing that I like to do after cutting is to just make sure that the end here is flat, and to get it flat you got to use a file. You can just simply file the surface flat, which will help with the seating of the cable outer in the cable ferrule. Just take any rough bits off, like so, and give it a quick rub. And then the one other thing you can do with the Shimano tool is you can use this part, which is actually a brad roll, and it is used on the inside of the cable to flare out the liner. This is quite important that this liner is flared out correctly to allow for cable movement to be very free. So just looking at that now, that cable end is almost prepared. The one other thing that I like to do is just add a little dab of grease, which will stop any corrosion starting on the end of that cable, just like this. That will help stop any corrosion, and if you rub it on the end and put on your cable end ferrule, that will also help stop any creaking. Just a little wipe around the edge, and that's it, ready to go. That's how to cut a cable outer for a mountain bike, bike earth. Thanks.